the Deputy CM, who is also the Minister of Revenue, of the Regional Plan and Revenue, and the Custodian Minister for Kamaldad, too is behaving like a evil stepmother to Goa. He is using the municipal elections as a backdrop to kill the idea of Goa by quietly sneaking in this bill that will steal the land away from Goans and their comunidades and give it to the illegal squatters on our own land. The Deputy CM is using the municipal elections to divert the attention of the public and pass the regional plan too, because today there's some news on the regional plan being put up by the Deputy CM. If we Goans really want to save Goa, then this exactly is the time, because we Goans should not expect anything from the 40 MLAs, or rather the majority of the 40 MLAs who are there in the assembly right now. The United Goans Foundation will be moving the High Court. But yes, we are very skeptical about this Goan High Court. If the High Court judges take a rounds in Panjim itself, in some guys, and understand from most of the good lawyers who represent cases in the High Court, they will say that the delivery of law is questionable in this Goa High Court. And it's not me saying it. It is the lawyers themselves. So we are ready to move to the Supreme Court too, if Goa is at stake. Do Goans need more proof to understand how treacherous, selfish and traitorous this BJP government is? Or rather you can say BJP, Congress, MGP, NCP, all these guys. Because the Congress was in power some time back. It is impossible that they wouldn't have officers in the government itself who will be informing them that such bill is coming into force.